morning everyone, welcome to a realistic what I eat in a day. It's been a minute since I filmed one of these videos, and as I've been on a little bit of a fitness journey just lately, I thought I'd show you what I've been eating. So this day that I decided to film was just a realistic, non-tracked day. I have slightly changed things up since I've got back off holiday, just because I found I was kind of hitting a brick wall. I carry a lot of back fat, and I'm sure everyone will relate, you carry fat in different places. So I've been trying to lower my body fat just lately. So since I've got back from holiday, I've been trying to increase my cardio and up my protein and just cut out some carbs in places. But guys, we need carbs, so don't cut out carbs completely. But yeah, if you want to see a higher protein day in the life, what I eat, then let me know about that. But yeah, this for now is just a realistic what I eat in a day. Not tracked, but roughly knowing what I'm eating, if that makes sense. So obviously I start the morning off with a good old Yorkshire tea. Oh my God, I can't start the morning without a cup of tea. It just kind of wakes me up. I'll go on the sofa, just go through my emails quickly, go on my phone and just go on my socials. And yeah, once I've done that, I feel alive. Next up, it's time to ensure that we've got our water on hand for the entire day so that we're just getting our water intake in. And I actually recently got sent a new water bottle from Airup, which I was so excited to try. I was actually really intrigued by this because the whole concept of it is it flavors water via air. So I always try to aim for around 3 to 4 of these kind of sized bottles of water a day. Obviously, it's so important to ensure that you're having your daily intake of water. And that's why I'm always trying to look for new ways to try flavoured water, because I do like drinking cordial, but obviously with that comes additives, sugar, sometimes extra calories. So yeah, I really like this whole concept of Airup because obviously you get the flavour via smell. So it goes through your nose into the back of your mouth, which then perceives it as a flavour, which I just find so cool. So there are many different flavours that you can try. I'm going to try the cherry one today because this sounded so good. So it's really easy to use. You simply just fill your water bottle up. I always like to ensure that my water is iced cold, so I'm just going to add a bit of ice in just to ensure, yeah, it's the coldest it is. There's something that hits different about ice cold water. And then you're going to take your selected flavoured pod, remove it from the packaging, and then all you want to simply do is just pop the lid on the water bottle and then just attach the pod to the lid as so. Really easy, just glides on. Once it's on, you can actually choose whether you want to drink it with the scent flavour or without. So to activate it, you simply just pull it up and then the scent and flavour is activated, or if you want it without it, then you just press it down and then it's not activated. But yeah, anyway, you're then all good to go. I also really like the fact as well that it does have a straw, so you don't have to tip the water bottle up to get the water. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to leave all the information for Airup in the description bar below. Like I say, a really good way to get your daily water intake without any extra sugars, additives and all of that kind of stuff. Also, I nearly forgot to mention the packaging on the pods is also recyclable too, so that's also really good. But yeah, a big thank you to Airup for kindly sponsoring this part of the video, so thank you so much to them. Next is gym time. So I'm very hit and miss with when I have breakfast in the morning. I'll either have it first thing, sometimes I wake up really hungry, or sometimes I just wake up and I'm not hungry. So yeah, we're gonna have it after gym today. But my gym routine has actually changed a little bit lately. So when I was filming this, I was doing 4 classes a week. 3 of those were body pumps, so more weight heavy, and then I was doing a stretch and tone class. And then I'd try and get in the gym an additional time just to do some cardio, but I've actually changed it up a little bit. I've been speaking to my brother, and I think a reason why I'm not really dropping much body fat and not getting the results I want is because I don't move enough daily. Even though I'm going to the gym and doing my classes, I'm not getting my steps in, and obviously that is a massive thing. So yeah, I'm trying now just to walk every single day and get 10,000 steps in. And also on the days I do have my classes, go into the gym, even if it's half an hour before, just to go on the treadmill and do a high inclined walk. And like I say, just monitor what steps I'm doing, because obviously my job is mainly sat down all day and not very active. So yeah, today, as you'll have saw, I did 30 minutes high incline walk on the treadmill, 10 minutes on the rower, and then I just finished off with a 10-minute ab session. When I got back from gym, I was finally feeling a little bit peckish, so I thought I would have a bagel. These aren't actually the thin ones, so I feel like these are really filling. Don't know if anyone else finds this. So yeah, I just decided to have half, and then also just half a banana and a little bit of peanut butter on top. And honestly, so good. Absolutely love this. Moving on to lunch now. I don't know about you guys, but I really struggle with lunch meal ideas. Yeah, it's always been just a little bit of a what do I have for lunch, because a lot of the times I'm working, I can't be bothered to be in the kitchen for hours cooking. I just want something quite quick and easy. So I do tend to go more towards like poke bowls. Now it's a bit warmer, salads are really good. So yeah, today we're doing a poke bowl. So I'm just gonna do some cucumber, a little bit of avocado, some carrot, just a tin of red salmon. These little rice packets that you can see in the background, sticky rice, I really like those because they're just the perfect portion of rice, and they're so nice as well. They're like really sticky, and yeah, it's so good. So yeah, I'm just cutting everything up and then just gonna pop it into a bowl. So like I say, really easy and doesn't take a lot of time as well, which like I say is perfect for me. Just gonna put a little bit of lighter than light mayo in the salmon. And then to finish, I'm just putting some sesame seeds on just because they look nice. And then I put this Tabasco sauce on, but oh my God, it was so spicy. So maybe I'll just stick to the sweet chili next time. But yeah, this is it. Looks nice and colourful, healthy, and so tasty as well. Like honestly, I enjoy these meals so much. I genuinely could eat them every day and just maybe switch up the protein. So after my lunch, I forgot to take my vitamins this morning, so I'm just doing that very quickly now. So I take some ones from JS Health, the Detox and Debloat, I think it's called, and then I have like vitamin D, vitamin B, and just a multivitamin. Okay guys, so it's a little later on now and we're about to do dinner, so I'm actually so excited for dinner tonight because it's actually a HelloFresh recipe, and I've never ordered it when I've ordered my HelloFresh. Like I never even see it on like my weekly HelloFresh. I don't think obviously they do it every week, but basically I went to my mum's probably a few months ago now, and it was just for dinner, and she made what she said was called Harry's pie or something, and it's essentially a chicken pie, but rather than have like a pastry on top, it's finely cut potatoes, and it's like potato on top, it's like chicken, and it's got carrots in, mushrooms, onion. Oh my God, it's so nice, and I was just really craving that this evening, and it's quite healthy as well. Like it's not like bad on macros, calories, if you like counting and you know watching that. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So excited for it. I think I'm gonna put peas with it. I was just thinking I probably should have picked up some green veg. Mum was saying she does broccoli with hers, but honestly I feel like I've just been so like forgetful today. I forgot my avocado from Aldi. I've just been to Aldi. I've left my cucumber at Mum's. Just one of them days, guys. But let me show you what I quickly picked up from Aldi, because I have just done a little mini food shop. I've not bought a lot because we're actually on holiday at the end of the week, so yeah, I've not done like a big food shop this week because I just don't need to. But what I've done is I've bought this big chicken. They do have cheaper ones than this, but I really like doing the roast in the bags just because I feel like they're a little bit more juicy and nice. But obviously there's only 2 of it, so it's really good doing this if you've like planned out your meals and you know you're going to have like chicken again. So I'm going to cook this tonight. We'll probably only need like both the legs, and then we've literally got that whole bit we can use for lunches, maybe tomorrow night's dinner. So yeah, I feel like this was under £5, or might have just been $4.99 or something like that, but let's say it's a £5, and essentially you can get like 2 main meals out of it. So I just think that's quite good value. So we're going to do that, and I also prefer doing a fresh chicken like this and like shredding it as opposed to the breast, because like I say, I just feel like it's not as dry. Then in Aldi I saw these, and they were a little bit cheaper than what they are in like Asda and all them places. So I got the cauliflower rice and sweet potato. I'm gonna give them a go and see how they are, but I just thought these would be really good for like a lunch poke bowl when I don't want to have like too much on the carbs. But I feel like with these you feel like you're eating carbs, don't you, because it's essentially cauliflower rice, sweet potato rice. So see how we get on with those. And then this is the ingredients I picked up for the Harry's pie. So you want mushrooms, I've got onions in the cupboard, I need some more chicken stock, so I got some of that, breadcrumbs, because you put that on the top as well. Carrots, they go in. We also use some garlic, which I've got. Oh, bananas, they're not for obviously the Harry's Pie, but I always like to get bananas and peanut butter. I've run out of peanut butter because I always have, sorry, it's a bit of a mess in here, to be honest with you. Do you know these bagels, these cinnamon, oh, I'm not even showing you, the cinnamon and raisin bagels? Love them. Yeah, just like a bit of peanut butter, a bit of banana on, just either like a snack, a little breakfast. So grab those. Also, really been liking at the moment this yogurt with raspberries and a little bit of honey on in the evening, just as a kind of like sweet treat after dinner, because you guys know I can't skip dessert. I have to have something sweet. So yeah, I've been really enjoying that. And these raspberries looked really nice, and you get 33% extra free. Creme fraiche for the pie. I got the lighter one. Potatoes for the pie. And then I just picked up a couple of sauces because we ran out of sweet chili and the lighter than light mayonnaise that Aldi do, because it's so cheap in there. You go in Asda, it's like £3.50 for Hellmann's, so we're having Aldi. Anyway, let's get this chicken in, because I think this is going to take, how long? An hour and a half. So right, let's chuck this in and then we'll prep everything else, and I will obviously leave the recipe for this in the description box, because honestly, so good. I recommend having ketchup with it, but that might be controversial. But anyway, let's do it. Okay, this is the Harry's chicken pie, all done. I haven't got that many pieces, I think I gave too many to Mitchell, and I'm hoping this is done. I was thinking I probably should have done these in the air fryer. I've kind of rushed it a bit because I'm just so hungry. Mitchell was going over the pub to watch football, so he was rushing me. So yeah, I feel like these could probably do with being maybe a little bit more crispier. Red sauce always, and oh my god, I'm so gutted we are like literally about out. I feel like you have to have this with red sauce, else it just doesn't hit the same. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and enjoy this now, but honestly, it's so good. Okay, and then after dinner, of course, I have to have something sweet. Anyone that knows me knows I have the biggest sweet tooth in the world. So just lately, because it has been a little bit warmer, I've been enjoying some yogurt and fresh fruit. Now, honestly, my dessert will depend each evening. So sometimes it's a 5-in-1 bar and a little pot of custard. Some nights it's just like a treat-sized bar of chocolate. But whatever it is, I have to have something sweet. But yeah, I've been really enjoying this now it's warmer. And obviously, it'd make a really nice breakfast too. But anyway, that concludes our What I Eat in a Day, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out Airup, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye-bye!